Hello everyone and welcome to Net Crypto, where you get important information and news about all coins and tokens of interest. And today we've got another token of interest, BTC Minetrix, right? So as I've already said in the previous video, this one is a scam, right? This one is a scam. Don't invest into it, right? Don't buy the pre-sale. Like, the golden rule is don't buy the pre-sale. I'm going to be showing you an example of why that is the case, right? And also, if you have already bought into this pre-sale, right, and if you're fortunate that when they do launch you're able to claim your tokens, right, don't stake. I know this whole token is all based on staking and you'll be able to mine Bitcoin and all that. That is just a story, right? I have been seeing multiple of these Bitcoin stories scamming millions of dollars from investors, right? So don't buy in the pre-sale. If you have already bought and you're fortunate that you're actually able to claim when they launch, don't stake. Golden rule, right? So why do we say that this is a scam? Look at the story that they have here. One Bitcoin mined in 2013 appreciated 27,300 in 10 years. Bitcoin Minetrix provides hassle-free BTC mining for the next 10 years, right? Buy Btcmtx today for as little as 0.011. It's a story, guys. It's just a story to scam money from your pocket. Do you know how much it actually costs to mine the real Bitcoin, right? Even if you buy expensive rig, you would have to mine for a couple of months just to recover the cost of your rig. And even then, there are running costs and also market fluctuations that still make mining unprofitable, right? The margins sometimes are very thin. You only benefit when there is a bull market. If you've been staking your Bitcoin that you're mining, then you can sell it in the bull market, right? If you are actually dedicated to mining. This guy is saying you can mine Bitcoin from your smartphone. All you need to just download this app, stake your Bitcoin. It's just a story. These guys are criminals. They are scammers, right? They are scammers. And there have been multiple of these, like I showed you. There's been BTC20, earn daily rewards. Let your BTC tokens work for you. Join the community staking pool and earn more BTC every day. Let's just check on Dex2's how this one is doing, right? Because it was being sold in the pre-sale for $1, right? It was being sold in the pre-sale for $1. And while that one is loading, there was another one, Btcbsc. Now, when you go to Btcbsc, you get this site. This site was similar to BTC Minetrix, right? Saying the Bitcoin story, buy Bitcoin in a low price, then it's going to pump in price and you're going to become rich, right? Stake your tokens and all that. But now, for Bitcoin BSC, when you go to this website, it's called bitcoinbsc.io, you get this. MetaMask flagged this site you are trying to visit is potentially deceptive. Attackers may trick you into doing something dangerous. Potential threats, right? www Bitcoin BSC include fake versions of MetaMask, secret recovery phrase or password theft, malicious transactions resulting in stolen assets. Advisory provided by Ethereum pinching detector and Pinchfort, right? It's a scam, right? Let's just continue to the site so that you can see it for yourself, right? While that one is loading, we see that it is taking some time here for this to actually load, to log Dex2s. Even if we try to go in, it's not even allowing us to go to this scammy site, right? So be extremely careful. And then the other one is this one. Oh, there it is loaded. You see, this is the site that did the red warning that don't go. These guys want to scam your money. So you can see this one, the pre-sale is ended, and a lot of people are not able to even claim their tokens. They are not able. They only want people to stake, because guess what? When you stake, you don't realize that you've been scammed. So that's why I say never stake into a token that you haven't seen for at least, right? That hasn't been existent for at least 2 years, at the very minimum, right? And also, we've got another scam here, BTCX. Same story. These guys actually abandoned the scam. They stole a couple of money from investors and they just abandoned the scam and they just moved on to something else, right? So be extremely, extremely careful of these Bitcoin scams, right? But then you ask, what is the real way of making money in crypto? For me, there are two real options of making money in crypto. There are plenty of others, right? But there are two main ones. The main ones are you just invest, research the top 10 cryptos on CoinMarketCap, such as AVAX, even Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you invest for the long term. When the bull market comes, you make your money, right? And the second way of making money is through trading crypto, right? Trading crypto, but it also comes with a risk of losing capital, right? That is why on the channel I've got the challenge that I'm doing, that I'm only sharing with the members, right? So for you, you just have to join the membership of the channel. You just click this button for join, right? And you'll be able to get the content of the challenge that I put on myself, which is incredibly hard, of converting $50 to $1,000, right? I am even doing this challenge, sharing exclusive content, right, with the members. And when you join the membership, you also get token reviews. So you get one of these badges, and you can request for token reviews, such as Bitcoin Minetrix or any other token that you want me to review. I will be able to see the badge on your name, and I'll do that review within 48 hours. And you get also members only video, and you get to access to the challenge that you are doing of converting $50 to $1,000. You'll be able to see the ups and downs, really what is involved into trading. Because when I entered into crypto 7 years ago, I was a trader, right? But now the landscape has changed, so I am sharing with the members things that I am picking up, right, with trading crypto. So you get access to all these videos here that are only available to members only, right? So most definitely this one is a scam, right? Bitcoin Minetrix. So I want to show you why pre-sales in general are scams, right? Even pre-sales that are being shielded by huge people out there. For example, we've got this one, Tectonic, right? Tectonic was a hit when it did launch in 2020, going to 2021, right? 2021, December 2021, when it launched, it was a huge hit, right? So if we just go and check out their website here, right, it was a huge hit, Tectonic, right? It's called Tectonic Finance. It's on the Kronos chain, right? It was a huge hit. And if you even check on CoinMarketCap, you can even see that it's only listed on crypto.com. Crypto.com is one of the top exchanges in crypto, right? And what is more, when this token launched, the CEO of crypto.com, Chris Mazalek, right, posted this. No Christmas break for Kronos chain, Tectonic Finance approaching 500 TVL. Can you remind me where this launched, right? Crypto.com is an incredibly hard exchange to get any token listed on, right? But they listed this Tectonic. They talk about it. It's even in their crypto education materials, right? So definitely crypto.com, they know definitely who is behind Tectonic. But you know what happened with Tectonic in the pre-sale? A lot of people bought it at a very high price in the pre-sale. Now look at the chart. It launched right here, right? And it dropped like a rock. Now you tell me, what reason is there for a pre-sale that has been bought at such a high price for it to just all of a sudden come and drop drastically, such as this, right? It was 5039, right, in the pre-sale. 5039 right there, and then it dropped all the way down to even 8 zeros, right? It was supposed to stay at least in this region. Why did it drop 96% today in the all time? Because they minted tons of tokens. Once the pre-sale was over, they just dumped the tokens on everyone. This is a tier 1 exchange, right? Tier 1 exchange. So pre-sales are not a good idea to buy into. The only real way that I've seen to make money in crypto is through trading and investing in the top 100 tokens during a bear market, and you wait for the bull market to come, you sell for a profit, right? So those are the only options that I have seen, right? In terms of making a profit during a bear market, right? Those are the only things that I have seen, to be honest, right? So one of the things that I actually suggest, right? If you want to actually make a profit into crypto, is to also grab the Big Brain Crypto Ego Logbook. Link is in the description, right? That logbook will allow you to actually study pre-sales. You can actually study up to 70 pre-sales, right? So this is the book right here. You can study 70 pre-sales. You can track rather 70 pre-sales, study them, study their structure, see where the scam is, right? You can track up to 70 pre-sales into this book, right? And you, in that way, you'll be wising up against the scammers, right? You'll be wising up against the scammers. And you can also join the Net Crypto membership if you think you're going to be able to get some value of that. And you can check out some of the exclusive content which is available to members only on the channel. So this was my review for this one. Just remember the golden rule: don't invest in the pre-sale. If you had already invested in the pre-sale, don't stake, right? If you're fortunate to be able to actually claim when they launch, right, chances are, if the price is still very close to the price that you bought, sell, get out of there. All the pre-sales that I've reviewed here, the price have dumped 100%, right? So be extremely careful out there. So this is just an update that I just wanted to share with you. Let me know what you think down there in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.